Hello everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your PlayStation 5 or 4 controller to your computer, and it will register as a Xbox controller so you can play any game you'd like that supports a controller anyway. So, first thing you're going to want to do is open a internet browser of your choosing, and then you want to look up DS4 or DS5 depending on if you have a DualShock 5 or 4 controller. You want to click on the first link, and then the page that you want to download the software from should look exactly like this. What you want to do is just click download here, and then you want to click download right here. Once you do this, a little download should appear in the top right, and you should see that you have now successfully downloaded the DS4 or 5 software. Once you've did that, you want to go to your files, and then you want to go to your downloads or wherever you installed it. You want to click it, and you want to click extract all. Once you've did that, you want to head inside here into the folder that you've extracted and run the DS4 Windows. Now, I have already did this little setup, and I don't want to reset my entire computer to get rid of it. So, I'm going to just guide you through it. When you first open this software, it's going to say program data or app data. This is just kind of what you prefer. It doesn't 100% matter, but once you've selected one of those, another page will open, and that's just going to ask you to download a driver specifically so you can use your controller. After your driver has installed, you will see a page like this, but probably a white version like this. Once you've did this, you want to start putting your controller into Bluetooth mode or connect your cord. If you're using Bluetooth mode, you're going to want to hold down the share button and the power button on your PlayStation controller and make it flash like this. And once it's flashing like this means it is in Bluetooth mode. So once it's in Bluetooth mode, you want to go to your Bluetooth settings. So just look up Bluetooth here and click open, and then you want to click add device, click Bluetooth, and then you will see a device in here called wireless controller like I have here. So once you have that, you want to just connect it, and then once your controller is connected to your computer, it should automatically register itself in DS4. So once you're in here, you can see I have my controller registered. I'm going to just show you a few things to help you kind of make your DS4 experience better. So first thing I'm going to do is go to settings, and if you want your DS4 to start when you start your computer, you want to click run at startup and then start minimized. This will allow when you start your DS4, it'll start down here. That's what it'll allow. Then also, I also turn on quick charge, and then I set my app theme to dark because I personally hate the light thing. So after doing that, you want to click profiles, you want to click new, you want to click no on this little prompt here, and then you are here. You can see when you hover over buttons, you can select a new action for each button. So you could make the PlayStation power button shoot if you really wanted to. If you go over here and click light bar, you can change the profile color that will show on your controller as shown here. And then you want to click other, and you can see there is a bunch of different options here. So I'm going to click idle disconnect, and I want my controller to disconnect after 30 minutes of not being touched. Another good setting to turn on is DS4 PT pull rate. I have this on maximum, so I have the lowest input delay possible. So after that, you just want to name your profile that you have created and click save. And now if you have a little drop down menu here under controllers, you can select your profile. I personally always name mine 360 because I always use the 360 layout, so most games will support my controller. And that is basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, just let me know. I love doing these types of videos for you guys, and also make sure to let me know what type of videos you'd like to see. other than this one, what other stuff you'd like to see. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this and it helped. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and peace.